We've all balanced things in our lives. If not recently, then maybe pencils and spoons and items on our heads when we were kids. But have you ever noticed that it's far more likely for things to be off balance than balanced? Even when things are balanced, it only takes a slight shake of our hand and the slightest breeze for things to be off balance again. Work-life balance can be the same way. We're constantly toggling between working enough to get enough done and to earn enough, and getting off work enough to enjoy what we earned with the people we love. It's a balancing act. Without work-life balance, we risk either becoming workaholics, missing out on the rest of our lives, or being so-called slackers, doing little with our lives. No shade here, guys, because the slacker title can be applied to anyone in any walk of life, gainfully employed or not. And work-life balance isn't just for the employed either. When I say work, I'm including career workers, homemakers, entrepreneurs, individuals in school, stay-at-home moms, and so on. Because trust, you can be a workaholic stay-at-home mom that doesn't have a lot of balance between mom life and ladies' night and date night. Y'all, I know it because I've lived it, but thanks be to God, now I'm doing things different. So yeah, regardless of our work type, most of us lean toward one side or the other. Most people get called out for having a work-life imbalance if they're a workaholic. But neither overworking nor overresting is good. Work-life balance isn't just doing the bare minimum just to check off both on our mental list. Work-life balance is getting up and going to work even when you don't feel like it, and it's also getting up and leaving work and going home even if you feel compelled to do more. Work-life balance is scheduling both work events and life events and being reliable to show up and be at your best for both work events and life events. Work-life balance is having and enforcing your boundaries for both. We might have to tell our boss and our coworkers no. We might have to tell our friends or family no. We don't want to lose our jobs, and we don't want to lose our relationships. Now, as far as how balanced our work-life balance is, that depends on our priorities. If you're single on your own and prefer a minimal social life, then perhaps the main priority is work. Or if you have a family at home or a very active social life that's important to you, family and friends might be the priority. Regardless of our priorities, though, let's make sure that both our work world and our regular life world are both nurtured and thriving. So now that we've looked into what work-life balance is and what it's not, we can look into why this whole work-life balance thing is so important in the next business finance video. Before you go, consider downloading my Fruitful Work and Finance workbook to create a work-life balance that works for you. It's on my website, trulythrivinglives.org, and it's also linked in the description below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.